Explore the International Introduction to Securities and Investment Learning dashboard on Exams Academy and see how every study tool works together. Track your progress, completed chapters, and mock exams from one dashboard. The AI Study Mentor also highlights the areas that deserve your attention next. Open any chapter for a source-grounded overview, followed by the examinable areas and common pitfalls that deserve extra attention. Scroll further for exam tricks, additional notes, numerical values to remember, and potential traps, all organized for faster high-value revision. Use the searchable cheat sheet for rapid revision of important terms, distinctions, rules, and high-value facts before practice. Build recall with interactive flashcards, monitor your progress, and revisit difficult cards until key ideas are easier to retrieve under exam pressure. The audio area provides AI-narrated chapter overviews and extra revision modes, making productive study possible during a commute, a walk, or any spare moment. Apply what you learn in the Mock Exam Hub. Build familiarity with question style and timing, then use your results to guide the next revision round. Ask the course-grounded AI tutor whenever a topic needs another explanation. It clarifies concepts and supports your revision on demand. Every feature works together in one clean, mobile-ready course, helping you turn each study session into purposeful progress.